Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk messages to all the contacts which you have in your contact list in your Pabbly Chatflow account. You have to simply create the broadcast and it is going to run for you. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this setup for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk messages to all the contacts which you have in your contact list. For this, we are going to create broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. For this, first you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow and you have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some credits. Use those credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly application. I'll select this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now, to create this bulk message, first we have to learn how we can create a template. On the left-hand side, we have the option of template. I'm going to go towards the templates list. Here I've landed towards the templates. You can see all the templates which I have created. To create a new template, you simply have to click on this add template and then go towards this add template. Here I've landed towards the new template. You have to first select the template category. As I've selected this marketing, I have to name this template. So I'm going to enter event invite as the template name, and then you have to select the language. After selecting the language, you have to enter the variable type. You can select name or the number. I'm going to select it as number, and then you have to select the template type, whether you want to send the image, video, audio, document, location, carousel, limited time offer, or catalog. I'm going to send a text message, so I'm going to select this. If you want to enter the header, you can do that, and you can see in the preview over here it will appear something like this. Then you have the template footer where you can enter the body of the message. I'm going to enter. So here I've entered the message. You are invited to a special event, and then I've entered a custom variable. We are excited to welcome you to Digital Growth Meetup 2026. This is the date, this is the time, this is the venue. Then we have the link, reservation link, and then we have added the rest of the details. After this, we have to add the sample value. Now, whatever custom variable you are creating, you have to add the value to that field also. So over here, as I have added for the name, I will be entering the value. So I will enter demo, and then I will skip this template footer part. In the interactive actions, I'm going to select it as none. Then we have this template. Then we have this no action. Then we have to submit this template. I'm going to submit this template. After some time, this template will be reviewed, and then we can use this to create broadcast template submitted for approval. So over here, we can see that status is pending. Now we have to create broadcast. On the left hand side, we have this option of broadcast. Let's open this. I've landed towards the broadcast. You can see all the details, status, broadcast name, message type, broadcast source, test broadcast, broadcast status, scheduled broadcast, and broadcast live, broadcast, total broadcast. I'm going to add a new broadcast here. Now over here, I'm going to select the broadcast type. So I'm going to select the broadcast campaign only. Then we have to name this broadcast. So I'm going to name event invite. Then we have to select the audience, choose existing contact list, upload a CSV file. So I have created all these lists. You can see that in all these lists, I have these many contacts. So let's suppose I want to select this particular daily update particular list. And if I want to add some other list, I can select that list also. So I have already created the list. I'm going to open the contacts on the left-hand side. You can see this. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I've landed towards the contacts. You can see all the contacts we have here. If you want to add a new contact, simply click on this add contact button. And then you have to enter the mobile number, the status, the name, the tags if you want, and then you can add these custom fields also. What you can also do, you can add the contacts in bulk by clicking on this add bulk contact, click on this cloud, and you can upload the CSV file. So you have to download the CSV file. If I download the sample CSV, that sample CSV will be downloaded and I can simply upload that over here. Then you have to simply import those contacts. You can also skip the duplicate records or override the duplicate records. After importing this, you can create the list of these contacts. You can create the CSV of these particular contacts in your spreadsheet and upload that over here. So this is how you can add the bulk contacts to your contact list in Pabbly Chatflow account. Now after doing all this, we'll go back towards the broadcast section and we can select the contact list. If you want to upload a CSV from here only, you can do that too. Then we have this refine audience. If you want to exclude a particular contact list or a specific contact, you can do that from these options. Then we have the select message type. So here I'm going to select WhatsApp template, and event invite was the name of the template, and you can see it has been approved. So I'm going to select this, and this was the same exact template. I'm going to click on this done. Now here, before scheduling this broadcast, I have to test this. So for that, I'm going to enter a dummy contact name for now, and then I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can test whether the broadcast will work or not. So here I've entered my own phone number. I'm going to click on this send test message. Now let's check whether I received the message or not. Test broadcast sent, and here it is. I have received this message. You are invited to our special event demo. So we have received this personalized message, and this was the same exact template which we have created to add this broadcast. Now you can also schedule this broadcast. So from this option, if you want to schedule this broadcast, you can select yes and then select the date and the timing and then press OK. You can also send this instantly, no send instantly, and then you can add this to broadcast. If you want to toggle on this button automatically retry failed contact, you can do that also. I'm going to add this broadcast, and here it is, broadcast created successfully. So over here you can see that this broadcast is live. We have set this broadcast live and this broadcast is running. So this is how we can send bulk messages to all the contacts. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly early and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.